What's the meaning of Bangladesh? Bangladesh. Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a country located in South Asia, with a population of approximately 165 million people. The name Bangladesh is derived from the Bengali language, with Bangla meaning Bengali or Bengali-speaking people, and Desh meaning country or land. The country gained independence from Pakistan in 1971, after a war that lasted for 9 months. Bangladesh is known for its rich cultural heritage, including traditional music, dance, and cuisine. Its economy is heavily reliant on agriculture and the garment industry. However, the country also faces challenges such as poverty, corruption, and political instability, which continue to impact its development.